Have you ever heard a sound that no one else around you notices? In Taos, New Mexico, people reported a strange low hum in the 1990s. They said it was like a distant engine, rumbling non-stop. The weird part? Microphones couldn't pick it up, machines couldn't record it, only certain people could hear it. Scientists searched for answers. Some blamed secret experiments. Others thought it was mass imagination. But to this day, no one knows what caused the Taos Hum. So, what do you think? Was it science or something stranger?